Good morning. It's Friday, March 6th, and I am long right here, right now, 30-year T-bond futures. Market got killed this morning, as you can see here. We had non-farm payrolls, and the T-bond futures have come down significantly. But we have found a support zone in here, and I believe we do bounce a bit from here. So I took a rather small position. I've got 5 contracts rather, right? And if you're familiar with the futures contracts on the T-bill, the T-bonds, each tick is worth $31.25. So having 5 contracts, you'd go $31.25 times 5. So each tick, each price movement is $156.25. So again, I think we found a short-term bottom in here. So I'm looking for the market to come up to about 157.06 to 7. Look to make 6 or 7 ticks on this and be done with it. As you can see right now, we are up $781. So that's not bad. So we're at 05. So we're looking at minimum 06. Here we go. We're at 6. We're getting the bounce, exactly the bounce I anticipated. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take off. I'm going to take off 4 at 06 and put a limit in. Sell limit at 06. There we go. Right there. So it needs to touch it. So it's touched it, but it's got to trade at it numerous times or up through it. So let's see. I don't want this video to be too long, so let me pause the video. All right, look at this. Nice. So we've traded up through it, and we have just closed out $750 in profits. Not bad. We've got 1 contract left. This is a quick trade. Got the bounce quicker than I anticipated, so we've got to bring the quantity down to 1. Okay, so we've got 1 contract left. Right, we're long at the round number 157. Right, 157. We're at 157.06 right now. I still expect this to probably move up to, let's see, we've traded up to 07. So we traded up to 07. I had my limit at 06, so the reason I got filled is because we traded up through it, right? A limit, and when you put a limit order in, the market's got to trade up through it. So what I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to lock in just 1 tick. I'm going to go at 157.01, okay? So this is what I'm going to do. Sell at 157.01 is right there. You see the line right there? 157.01, lock in 1 tick. Again, I'm going to pause the video. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we can run a little higher here. All right, I am back. Look at this. Markets trade up to 157.09. All right, 157.09. We took out the prior 3 bars low. Again, we're trading the June U.S. 30-year Treasury bond futures contract, okay? Each tick, each price fluctuation per contract is $31.25. Nice trade. Look at this, up to 157.10. All right, so we're getting the bounce. We are getting the bounce. It's again, the key is to find key support and resistance zones. So when the market gets hammered like this, okay, what do most people do? Most people either panic if they're long, so they exit, or they look to go short and chase the market. And that's when you're looking to do the opposite of what everyone else does. So at this point, okay, down in here, most people are looking to either go short or they're dumping their long positions and taking a loss. So that's why we get the bounce, right? So to be a profitable trader, you need to go against the grain. You need to go and do what most people against what most people are doing, right? So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just bring that stop up to 02 now. I'm going to go 1 tick below this bar's low and lock in 2 ticks, which is, what, $62.50 on the remaining portion of the position, okay? So we're going to take this. Now we can either, no, let's do this. We'll go 02 right here, right there, right below that. And I'll be back with you soon. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually move this up higher because one of my oscillators that I do look for these short-term trades is extremely overbought now. So I wouldn't doubt if this market comes back down. So I'm going to take this up midway. I'm going to go to 06 and be real tight on this. 06, okay? I'm going to go up to 06 because of the extreme overbought reading that I'm getting with one of my indicators that I use and look for. And there we go. 06. So now we're locking in 6 ticks. Okay. So let's see what happens. We're pretty close. We're only 1 tick below where the market's trading right now. So let's just see.
Order filled.
Here we go. There we go. So look at what we did there, folks. We locked in and closed out $937.50 in profits. See that? Before the 9:30 bell on the regular market. Okay, remember bonds, 30-year bonds open up at 8:20 in the morning. Okay, and they close at 3 o'clock. That's the normal New York session. Okay, S&Ps, as you know, open up at 9:30. So look, it's 20 minutes, 19 minutes before the market opens, and we've just made $937 on a Friday. So not bad. So hopefully you can learn a little something from this video. If you've got any questions, please let me know. Have a profitable day. Let's see if we can make more money, and I'll be back with you on Monday. Have a great weekend. Bye for now.